Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode is this cool Amazer right here in my hand, and basically what these are some scrub brushes that you can use it to clean like your shower room or anywhere else you guys want to. That's up to you guys. So the one that we got here, it comes in a set of 2 of them, and it is different colored in terms of the handle. Let me actually open up to show you guys what the product looks like first. Alright, so when we take it out, you can see that this is basically what the product looks like. So when we take it out like this, you guys can see that there's 2 of them right here, and they're basically the same thing but different color. So when we take it out, you guys can see that this is basically what the product looks like. So when you guys feel the material on here, it definitely is high quality. So definitely makes it a lot easier for you guys to scrub like the wall or like the corners on your shower or whatever. So you don't have to worry about any odor, and you guys don't have to worry about any deformation over time. Obviously, I can't tell that right now. I have to use over time to see how that performs, but definitely so far it seems pretty good. When you guys look at the handle option right here, it does have that non-slip material. It definitely has a very good grip to it. So once you guys grip it like this, you don't have to worry about it slipping out. Same thing for other one here as well. And the way how they design right here, it gives you guys this hook option right here. So if you guys want to hang on somewhere, you can definitely do that. But probably one of the coolest thing about the product is the fact that it comes with a small little brush. So you can see right here when we pull it out, it has a small little brush right here, so you can use that to clean certain corners or certain small areas that cannot reach with the big one. And when you guys are done using it, you can put it back inside right here. Definitely super portable, and I definitely love that option a lot. They also have it on this one as well, right here. It actually looks very, very cute. And when you guys feel the material on here, it definitely is high quality. So it can definitely help you guys remove any kind of stain off like the walls, the corners, or whatever. Wherever you guys plan on using it, that's up to you guys. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Let me just bring this over to the shower room to show you guys a quick test of the product, to show you guys when it actually works and how effective it is for both this option and also the small option right here for the small brush. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so right here we have the product. If you guys can see on our shower right here, like throughout all these lines right here, it's super dirty. So we use this scrub brush right here to like clean off that. So let's try it out and see when it actually works. So I'm gonna try using this option right here first. If that doesn't work, now use this small option right here. Alright, so we'll start scrubbing these off first to see when it actually works. Alright, so you can see how dirty it is. So the product itself, it definitely does work. So we don't need to use a small sponge, but you can see how effective the product is right here. Alright, so let's get some water right here to rinse it off first. You guys can see how nasty that stuff is. And you guys want to rinse off this as well. You guys can see it comes off really easily. There's nothing on here. So it definitely works really, really well. You guys can see how dirty it is. All the stuff that's coming off right here. And if for certain area where you cannot reach, you guys can always use a small one like I mentioned. This is also effective as well. Alright. So you can see how dirty it is. So let's get some water and rinse that off. Alright. So you can see how much cleaner it is now after we finish using the product. And we want to rinse off this option right here. You can see that comes off really easy as well. Alright, so that's basically how you guys use the product right here. You can see it definitely works really, really well. So whether you guys use a big one or small one, both of them work really well to clean off any like dirt or dust or any residue that stays on the wall, whether it be like a kitchen or shower or whatever. You can definitely use these in those scenarios. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw the quick test of the product itself. You can definitely see that actually does work and work quite well. Super easy to use. You can basically use this almost anywhere. It doesn't have to be in a shower room or your restroom. If you guys want to use it in the sink, on your kitchen, for carpet, basically you guys can use it to clean almost anything, which is pretty amazing. And when you guys feel the material on the brush for the big side and also the small brush as well, it definitely is a high quality bristle material. So you can definitely use that to clean off any stains or dust or dirt or whatever, wherever you guys want to use it for. And just the overall design of the product is pretty nice, where you get the anti-slip material so you don't have to worry about slipping out when you guys are cleaning stuff. And I also love the option how it has the hook option, so you can hang on somewhere, maybe on like your tub or your sink or somewhere else. As long as you guys can hook it on there, then you guys can definitely put it anywhere you want to. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that we can unboxing and testing out the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for these brushes, I definitely have to say that it is worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if your restroom is super dirty, or if you guys have a job that requires you guys to use one of these, then this is super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want one or don't need one or have need one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.